Welcome to the Project Pedestrian activity. In the past 10 years, the number of pedestrians killed by motor vehicles has drastically increased. Most serious injuries occur from the vehicle's front end. The bumper, the hood, the windshield impact the pedestrian. In today's activity, you're going to modify a vehicle's front end so that it reduces the crash impact to a pedestrian. So let's look at the materials. We need some sort of like Hot Wheels type track, Hot Wheels type car, similar car. You're going to need to set one end of the track up at least 20 centimeters off of the table or the floor if you do this on the floor. As the track slopes down, once it gets to the flat section, you want to tape it, secure it to the table. You're going to need a wireless sensor, okay, that you're going to pair with a tablet, a phone, a laptop. You're going to need a piece of foam for the sensor to hit afterwards. It just helps give you a little bit cleaner data. Your sensor needs to be stationed at the same spot for each trial. So make sure you put a little piece down there and mark it your crash site, as well as when you've marked up here where you're going to start it from. So first, you're going to need to make sure your sensor is paired with your tablet. Then you're going to have some crashes with the car without any sort of modified front end. You need to acquire some baseline data of what the impact is like without a modified front end. So let's do one of those. Sensor's on. It's receiving. I've got it set 20 centimeters up. All right, my line. Start my timer. It's acquiring the data. Now I let go. All right, and stop it. Yep, it acquired the data. You're going to get the data off your tablet. You're going to write that on your data table. So the more trials you do, the better. I like to do 10, okay? So once you've got 10 good trials, if you do that many, then go ahead and get your average. That's your baseline. Now, from here on out, you want to reduce that impact. So to do that, you have to modify this front end. So you're going to have a variety of materials to choose from that your teacher has assembled for you. So let's take a look at what some of those might be. All right, could have a couple of pipe cleaners, maybe several different size straws. Could have some cotton balls or cotton squares, pieces of sponge, some different types of styrofoam, more like the peanuts here, sort of the popcorn, smaller pieces, or these little cylinders, or maybe something fun like these little pom-poms. You could also use some bubble wrap, either the big bubble wrap or like this small bubble wrap, or even some sort of modeling clay or some sort of soft clay could go on the front. To attach it to the car, you're going to have a limited amount of masking tape to use. Now, one of the design parameters is your front end cannot rub anywhere on the track as it moves down towards the pedestrian. If so, it would slow it down, right? We don't want that. We want the speed to be the same each time. So, have a lot of fun and good luck.